Hello YouTube, Bemmer7 guy here. Today we're going to change the mass airflow on my BMW M3. Here is the new mass airflow we got. This one is a Bremmy and still made in Germany. Awesome! Alright, and we're going to get that put on today. We gotta take the old one out. Please. Right. These. One. I want to do that one. There we go. Sometimes you pop my fingers. Sometimes you can't. Right. This is one of the quicker ways to train challenges. This one we're taking off is a Simons, however it's pronounced. Let me take the plastic cover off the new one. Take a new one. There we go. Make sure we get it all lined up so we can close it. Make sure we get this on. Okay, and here, make sure you do have this arrow pointing towards your car. It's got to go towards, like, it's the airflow, so it's the air going in towards the throttle body and the intake. Just make sure you do get that arrow going in the right spot. Okay, and we just want to go through and get that check engine light check, see what it's on for. It seems to be idling okay. Better than it was with the old mass airflow, that's for sure. Alright, so we're going to go through and check that check engine light. It's still on. My phone died, I'd go see it. I like this wireless scanner, but they take so long to connect. Look, it's so connected. There it goes. Alright, yeah, so it's got one. Let's see. Let's see what it is. Okay, so learn more about the Appalachian Conservation Corps. Camshaft position sensor. And I was saying we'll get that going on our next video. All right.